Hello everyone! Today we are making the easiest high protein bread. No flour, no gluten, just lentils. And some egg and yogurt. That's it. First, we are starting with soaking the lentils. I have just 1 cup of red lentils, but you can use green ones, yellow ones, anyone. Pouring some water and just a pinch of salt. It's gonna stay for overnight, but if you don't have time, at least 2-3 hours until their color becomes pale and some of them cracks and open. As you can see,
One is
their
very
color
bright,
like
the other is very pale.
this is orange and this is more like pale, yes, pale orange. We're gonna use this one. I'm draining. This is gonna be our flour for the bread. Processor can come. You can use a blender as well. In here, I'm adding the soaked lentils.
It grows a lot as well.
Yeah, like the dry ones around 200 grams, but when they soak, they're around 450, even 500
More
grams.
than double.
Yeah, more than double. Because flour has gluten and lentil doesn't, we need something to bind them, which are eggs. 2 eggs. Some more protein. 3 tablespoons of yogurt, but this is not sweet yogurt, this is, we can say, savoury. Maybe you can find at Turkish markets, maybe Greek yogurt, I'm not sure.
But Greek yogurt, I think it's sweet as well. No?
Some of them, yes.
Can I use kefir as well?
You can use kefir, but less, because it's more liquid. The consistency shouldn't be too runny. Or you can use vegan yogurts. And 2 tablespoons, maybe 3, olive oil, and half teaspoon salt. And this is the base. We're gonna make flatbreads, but you can even make a loaf out of it. Like we made it before, Refika made probably every version. You can add some, I don't know, halloumis, herbs. You can change whatever you want. But today we are gonna make like crepe flatbread, lavash, or we can say. Then we are gonna make wraps with roasted vegetables and pink hummus.
For me.
For you, yes. Of course for you. And I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder because in here they are selling them in small packages. This is 1 small packet, but it's around 1 level tablespoon. Time to blend. It's gonna work until it's smooth, like a thin pancake batter consistency. As you can see, this is a bit runny. First, I'm gonna heat the pan. This was I think it was 2 years ago, one of my best dishes when I was on diet. So, we're gonna spray some oils. You can always use more, but this works great. From now on, it's like cooking a crepe. I have a big ladle, and I'm gonna, Allah. Quickly, I'm gonna tilt the pan and spread all the mixture around the pan. It's on low medium heat. I'm gonna wait until the upside is kind of dry because otherwise if I try to flip, it's gonna fall apart. After a while it starts to dry and you can check if it leaves the pan. Kind of. But if it doesn't, you can check the edges by a spatula if they are free or not. Not yet. And first one, always the hardest one. It's gonna get easier. Or you can use a bigger spatula like this.
Wow.
Yeah, we have some cracks. Because it's not wheat flour has gluten and it gives this elastic form. This is not elastic, it can crack. So you can be just a little bit more careful, but that's it.
After making the batch, can I keep it in the refrigerator for how long?
For example, this one, you can use 4 or 5 days because it has egg, yogurt in it, not more than that. Or you can make crepes, but you can freeze them, but they can crack. Or you can make like a loaf and slice like a bread, then freeze them. When you want to eat, you can air fry. There are some more, Osman is making them for me. But while they are being ready, I'm gonna make my vegetables. What we have whatever we want. 1 zucchini, as Italians said. 1 carrot, they're all diced. But, for example, carrots takes more time to cook than zucchini. So we are making a bit smaller and thinner compared to zucchinis. That's the deal. For example, peppers, they are easy to cook, so they are bigger. Do you want some onion?
Yes, please.
Of course. I'm gonna make onions small as well. 1 onion, and of course eggplant. I'm not gonna peel it, just take the green part, cut in half, and smaller. 1 of every vegetable, onion, pepper, eggplant, zucchini, and carrot. Now we're gonna spice it, whatever we like. But first of all, some salt for every vegetable, around a teaspoon. Black pepper. Would you like some red pepper, Bahar?
Yes, please.
Okay, just a good pinch. And of course, curry. You don't want that?
No, I'm not gonna eat it whole, so if you want curry, go
Okay,
with it.
just a teaspoon then. But I would use a tablespoon.
But that's not teaspoon anyway.
It's teaspoon. And like 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil because eggplant needs olive oil. And mixing, being sure that every piece taking its share from oil and spice. This is our air fryer's basket. Adding all of it here, and they're gonna cook on 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. But in every 5-6 minutes, I'm gonna shake them so they can cook evenly. This might look too much, but they're gonna become their half when they cook.
They will shrink.
Yeah. Now it's time for the hummus. As you know, what we do, we peel the chickpeas, but the easy way, you put them in water, you just rub them a bit, and the skins, because they are lighter, they float, so you can take them easily. But thanks to TV show, because we are making lots of preparation to make some time at the shootings, now all of us are preparing everything in advance. It's around 200 grams of chickpeas. They are boiled. 2-3 tablespoons of tahini. Okay, let's make it 3. 1 clove of garlic and like around 2 tablespoons olive oil. And what is missing now? A pinch of salt. And I'm gonna add some lemon because it's gonna be a beetroot. So I'm gonna add some pickled beetroots. According to its consistency, I'm gonna add the lemon because otherwise it can be too runny. And of course, our secret of the hummus to make it smoother, ice cubes. And time to time, Osman shakes the vegetables so they can cook evenly. Thank you, Osman. And pink hummus is also ready, as you can see.
Wow, let's see.
Aman. Now I have 5 more minutes for the vegetables, then we are gonna prepare the wraps. As you can see, there's not much left. Now, it's time to make the wraps. I'm taking 1 lentil crepe. First, spreading some pink hummus. Of course, some vegetables. Then it's actually up to you. You can add some sesame seeds or nigella seeds. Always some coriander or parsley if you want. Or any green. Some pickles and some more freshness. I always trouble. Cucumber. Cucumber, okay. Sometimes I say cucumber. Cucumber. But I just shaved them with peeler. Then fold the sides. Then take the wrap and tuck it in. It can crack, never mind. And
Wow.
yes, this is ready.
It looks very full and rich.
This is the inside.
Wow.
Lentil wrap is ready. It's full of lentils, chickpeas, vegetables. It tastes great. It's gonna make you feel full for hours. Enjoy.
And it's guilt-free.
Yeah, it's good for you. Come and taste.
Oh, it smells wonderful. It's very delicious. Make them. Fill them with whatever you want. Try the bread loaf as well. It's very delicious. You can put it in the refrigerator.
With green lentils as well. They're great. Until see you next time. Don't forget.
Write a comment, subscribe.